Yeah, I was working on this BMW 2011 328i. Put all brand new shocks all around the yellow boot, new axles. There's the train. Choo-choo! We got a truck if anybody needs hauling done. I'm in the Washington, Longview area, Castle Rock. Anybody need hauling done? Got a little trailer, little boat trying to sell. Got another boat back there I'm trying to sell. I'm not trying to sell this car. I got that car over there I'm trying to sell. I'm trying to get 1,000 for the probe, 1,000 for the boat, 500 for the little aluminum boat that comes with the motor. Yeah, new oil gasket, oil pan gasket, new oil, spark plugs. It's been running good. There's some, I'll be driving it and it'll be like, make this like buzzing, like a motor's going or something, and then the idle will start fluctuating. Anybody know why that would happen? Alright, thanks. Got that running.